A case has been filed by former Miss India winner and Miss Universe runner-up and the well-known actor Selina Jaitley, now known as Selina Hogg, against her husband Peter Hogg, another domestic violence act for domestic violence, cruelty and manipulation. It came up today before the court of Magistrate Andheri for verification and notice. When the matter came up, the case was verified and the judge was pleased to issue notice to Peter Hogg. Okay, Selina Jaitley is represented by a team from Karanjawala and Company, comprising Sandeep Kapoor. Okay, so Selina Jaitley has filed a case against her husband. I'm told that Niharika Karanjawala, principal associate, is from the team from Karanjawala and Company, is joining us on the broadcast. Very good afternoon to you, Miss Niharika. And we're learning of this case that has been filed by Selina Jaitley against her husband. Ma'am, if you could just share some details.
So, the case is basically under the Domestic Violence Act. It is a case involving cruelty, manipulation and instances of violence, and she has filed for maintenance and also in order to register these cases of cruelty that her husband has conducted against her over several years. For many years, she stayed in the marriage and put up with it in the hopes that this behavior would change and for the benefit of her 3 children. However, she felt that at this stage she had to take action.
Ms. Niharika, I would also like to understand from you if you could just talk about the allegations that have been leveled, as you mentioned, about years of abuse. We also understand that the continuous acts of abuse have also been, cited. And he's an Austrian national, if I'm not wrong.
Yes.
How does this case go forward from here on? Because she also has children. So on that front, what is the case coming out like?
Yes, she does. And so we have filed under domestic violence before the Learned Court in Andheri, as the marriage was conducted here under Hindu rites and rituals, and they cohabited here before shifting first to Dubai, then Singapore, then Dubai again, and then finally to Austria, all under Mr. Hogg's instructions in the support of his career. There's a separate proceeding with regards to a gift deed that he obtained through coercion and manipulation from her with regards to her Mumbai property in Andheri. That is going on as well. And these are the criminal proceedings filed on the grounds of cruelty.
Has there been also allegations of Peter blocking access to the children?
Yes, however, I'm happy to report that only 2 days ago, in the divorce proceedings that are continuing before the Austrian court was pleased to issue an order stating that she is allowed 1 hour of telephonic access to the children every day. So in accordance with those orders, she is now allowed an hour of access to her children every day via the telephone.
Is Mr. Hogg in the country, or is he in Austria or in any other country?
As far as we know, Mr. Hogg is in Austria.
All right. Right, ma'am. Ms. Niharika Karanjawala, many thanks for joining us with details coming in on that story. That was the lawyer, the team representing Selina Jaitley in the court today as she files a case of domestic violence against her husband. Okay, Meenakshi joins us live in the broadcast from Mumbai. Meenakshi, tell us more details that you're picking up. Selina Jaitley has been in the news recently also because of her brother and bringing back her brother. Now there's fresh trouble, it seems. Now what we understand is that she has accused her husband of Peter Hogg of domestic violence, and there's a case ongoing. Tell us more details, please.
Yes, Selina Jaitley has filed a domestic violence case against her husband, Peter Hogg, who is a Austrian entrepreneur and he's a hotelier, we know. And what is her allegations? As the lawyer mentioned, her allegation was she alleging domestic violence, cruelty and manipulation by Peter Hogg, and was presented for verification before the court of Judicial Magistrate for First Class Andheri, and the court later we know that issued a notice to Peter Hogg for a next hearing on December 12. We know Selina Jaitley and Peter Hogg married in 2011, and after that 2012 they become a parent of twins. After that they were shifted Austria, and now after so many years of marriage, Bollywood actress
Meenakshi, all right, thank you so much for joining joining us with those details coming in. We will be sharing more details and put in the context as to what really has happened. Remember, this is Salina Jaitley, the former Miss India winner, runner-up of Miss Universe. She has filed a case against her husband, Peter Haag, an Australian national under Domestic Violence Act. Rhythm Anand Bharadwaj, a legal editor, joins us on the broadcast for more. Rhythm, tell us more details about this case, please.
Yes, that's right. So what we're being told now, Rakshita, is Salina Jaitley, actor, has now moved the Mumbai court where a date has been given to her. She's filed a case of domestic violence against her husband, Peter Haag. It's before the Judicial Magistrate First Class Court in Andheri's court in Mumbai. Peter Haag is a resident of Austria. She sought damages of 50 crore rupees and other sums in lieu of her loss and source of income and properties. We're also trying to get in touch with her lawyer, Niharika Karanjiwala. All right, she's patched with us. If we can actually go across to Niharika. Niharika, as someone who's representing Salina in the case, what are the details that we can have right now? A notice has been issued in the Mumbai court.
I think Niharika had just connected with us a while back. I am afraid she has not. We are unable to go through her right now.
All right, Rakshita. So I'll just give you the details as I'm speaking with them. The case has been filed through Karanjiwala and Company. Niharika Karanjiwala was representing her in this case, and she's now said that there was domestic violence that she was looking at. After looking at what she had to say, a notice has been issued in the case by the lower court in Mumbai. We have to wait to see what the court will further do, because it is the other side who will now have to come to the court in Mumbai. All right, let me go across to Niharika Karanjiwala, who's representing Salina Jaitley in this case. Niharika, if you can tell us more details. The Mumbai court has now issued a notice on this plea being filed for your client, Salina Jaitley.
Yes. So notice has been issued to Peter Haag, Salina's husband, and it is returnable on the 12th of December. So on the 12th of December, he will likely, if the notice is served, he will likely appear before the court and seek time probably to give the court his version of the events and defend himself against the allegations that have been raised.
Yes. Salina, Niharika, if I could ask you, what are the allegations that Salina has made? Because we're told it's domestic violence. She has stated is what she had to go through, and cruelty.
Yes. So there have been instances of physical violence as well. Mr. Haag losing his temper, throwing things, breaking things, being violent with Salina on a few occasions, and a lot of emotional cruelty. As I said, there is also a parallel civil proceeding for a gift deed that was obtained via coercion and manipulation. Unfortunately, in 2017, after Salina, in a short period of time, lost both one child and her parents, he took advantage of her emotionally depressed state in order to manipulate her into parting with her property, and he shifted them to a very remote area of Austria as well, where she didn't speak the language well and didn't know many people, so that it would be easier to separate and subjugate her. These are the allegations that we've raised in our petition. Presumably on the 12th of December, Mr. Haag will offer his reply to our allegations.
Yes. Niharika, these are very serious allegations. We've heard how much in another case, Niharika, she has spoken for her brother. So it's coming at a very serious and unfortunate time for Salina. I also wanted to understand, you said that there has been physical violence. What sort of violence has there been? They have children now, and what has this violence really been?
There have been instances of violence. Since this matter is sub judice, I won't get in too much to exactly what the incidents were. It's not my story to tell, but we're hopeful that when it plays out in court, we're hopeful that justice will be done by her and her children.
Yes, and it also says at one place from Mumbai that it's 50 crore rupees that she has sued him for.
Yes. Over the years, yes, it was her savings that were funding their lifestyle. And as I said, he has also manipulated her into transferring a substantially valuable property of hers in Mumbai, which was her self-acquired property, to him. So the petition takes into account all of that. Of course, it is for the court to decide. We are in the court's hands.
All right. Thank you, Niharika, for giving us those details. We
Thank
keep
you,
a close eye on this court hearing on the 12th of December. Thank you for joining us. So these are big allegations, Rakshita, that we are seeing coming out from Selina Jaitley, where there is allegations of physical violence against Peter Haag, her husband, where she's also said that there was an emotional time in her life when she lost her parents, and at the same time she'd also lost one of her twins. And at that time, a lot of her property had parted ways with her because it was her husband who had transferred or done something allegedly with that property, but it was no longer in her control. Niharika, her lawyer, has also said that it was she who was ensuring the couple's lavish lifestyle with her own earnings, and that's what we are looking to get back from Peter Haag. That is the husband of Selina Jaitley.
Many thanks, Rhythm, for joining us with details on that story at Republic TV.